Good morning, everyone. It's just before 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna take apart the intake manifold on my vehicle to replace the thermostat. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the injectors and a couple of hoses since I'm in there. Gonna clean out the entire intake manifold and put it all back together, and if I have enough time left in the day, I need to check my water pump, which is underneath the timing cover. Well, let's get started. I've got the fuel rails off. The injectors are loose. These I just have them in there plugging up the holes. These ones were a little hard to get out, so I just got all the injectors out. I got one more nut to pull off the back there, and I can pull out the intake manifold. This is the upper, the lower is just part of it. Once I get the whole intake manifold out, I'll be able to get down in there and replace the thermostat and a couple hoses, but a friend of mine is going to take me to go pick up a rental car because I'm going to have to run for some parts here pretty quick. I've got a couple of vacuum lines I noticed are really brittle and hard. I don't know what the condition of the fuel rail lines are. The book says I would not be able to take them off, but they don't look that bad to take off. I'm not sure. I'll have a better look once I have the intake manifold off. So here's my injectors. This one looks okay. I mean, a little cruddy. And look at this one. That looks pretty nasty. I've got another one that's even worse than this. So at least two of my injectors are in pretty bad shape. They're just dirty. Here's my intake manifold. See, that's the upper and this is the lower. They look pretty dirty now, but they were really grimy. I guess this engine's burning quite a bit of oil, which 192,000 miles doesn't surprise me. So I had to take all this apart to get to the thermostat, which is down here. Now the thermostat did have a leak, so that makes sense why it was running too cold. I'm going to go ahead and replace these two hoses that go down here since I'm here. I had to pull this loose, so I'm going to replace the O-ring. It's brittle. And I'm going to replace the fuel lines that are right here and right here. I'm calling it good for today. I got to go run some parts, and that's it. I'll finish it up tomorrow.